Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to hide comments on TikTok. TikTok has become a popular platform for sharing creative videos, but managing comments on your post can sometimes be challenging. Whether you want to reduce negativity or protect your audience from spam, TikTok offers several features to help you hide and filter comments effectively. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to hide comments on regular posts and TikTok Live, as well as introduce an alternative method for hiding specific comments. First, open the TikTok app and tap your profile at the bottom of the screen. Then, click on the menu button located at the top and select Settings and Privacy, or select Settings. Tap on Privacy and then choose Comments. To filter all comments, turn on the Filter All Comments setting. This will hide comments unless you approve them. To filter spam and offensive comments, turn on the Filter Spam and Offensive Comment settings. To filter comments with specific keywords, turn on the Filter Keywords setting and add the keywords you want to filter. Now, to review filtered comments, tap on Review Filtered Comments and decide to approve or delete each comment. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.